Your reality is a reality because your mind told you that is your reality. But if you can change your mind, you can change the reality around you. Did you know that your brain is actually stopping you from being successful? The way that you think, the things that you focus on, and even the words that you use are even driving you away from your goals, or they are keeping you stuck. Today I'm going to show you why, but not only that, how NLP can help you change your life completely. Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Coach Ulrich, and as an NLP trainer, I help people master their mind for success. A lot of times we have goals and we have visions, things we want to accomplish, but our brain is working against us. So in this video, I will tell you how that happens, why that happens, but not only that, I will tell you the secrets of NLP that can help you shift your mind to the place that you really want to be. If you ask yourself, how is it that some people achieve their goals effortlessly and then some struggle and struggle and struggle and they still don't get it? It's all in the brain processes, how our brain processes the information that we receive every day. And that's where NLP can help you. Your brain is always filtering the reality around you. It's either deleting, distorting, or generalizing the information that's coming in. And it only focuses on what it thinks is important for you. Can you imagine that? Your brain decides what information comes to you, which information you will receive, which information you will see, which opportunities you will see, and which you will not see. Have you ever noticed that when you bought something that you really wanted, suddenly you start seeing it everywhere? Maybe it is a car that you bought. Maybe it's slippers, right? You bought these slippers, these pants, whatever it is, and then suddenly you start seeing it everywhere. This is the reticular activating system that works. It filters the information that you will see around you, and then suddenly you'll see only the things that you are attached to, either because of your past experiences or your belief system. So the things that we absorb nowadays are the things that are related to our past. So if you want something new, if you want a new beginning, if you want to achieve something new, something has to happen with the filters that are filtering the information that's coming in. Let me give an example. If someone grew up thinking earning money is hard, even when an opportunity presents to them, they will not even notice it. An opportunity to earn money easy, they're like, that's impossible because earning money is hard. Their filters is only letting them see the difficult parts of earning money. And that's why these filters has to be clean. The good news is with NLP, many of the techniques, you can change your mind. You can transform and rewire the way that you look at things in life. Not only money, but even friendships, even businesses, even your family, whatever it is that you're going through right now that you're seeing as difficult or whatever is hindering you right now, NLP can help you change from that limited belief system to an abundant belief system. There are many techniques that we can use to help you change your mind. Because if you change your mind, you will change your life. Look, let's do a simple exercise. Think of something that you cannot do. Got it? Okay. Now, what if I told you that this is all in your mind? I want you to think the opposite right now. Think that you can do this thing. How will that change your life? If you move from a belief system that says, yes, I can do blah, 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 whatever it is. This is what NLP does. It shifts your mind to a new reality and it creates opportunities where you have not seen them. They have already been there, but we don't see them because our mind is focused on the reality that we created in the past. The filters that are permitting only some of the information to come into our mind, into our brain, and help us either hold us back or help us push ourselves towards the goal that we want in life. So follow me, hit the notification bell, comment below if this resonated with you. If you want to know more, follow me. Why? Because I will dive deeper and deeper into NLP to show you what the things that NLP can do for your life. So, are you ready to go? I'm ready to shift my mind into a greater reality than what I'm looking at right now. If you're ready to go with me, I would say, let's go.